Hi everyone, how are you all? This is Ashwati here, and it's been a very long time. I've not met any of you all. Really missed you all and missed doing these videos. And this is my first official video as a mother. It's a beautiful phase. We can't express it in words. You have to experience it by yourself. And today I'm here to share about my labor story. बट बिफोर दैट मुझे ये बोलना है कि इफ़ यू आर अ मदर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, आपका सी सेक्शन हुआ है या नॉर्मल डिलीवरी हुआ है, वट एवर इट इज़, हैट्स ऑफ टू यू बिकॉज इट्स नॉट ईजी. एंड जनरली हम जब सुनते हैं समवन इज़ प्रेगनेंट, समवन इज़ अबाउट टू डिलीवर, ड्यू है उनका, तो ये बहुत नॉर्मल फिनोमिना कंसिडर करते हैं बिकॉज इट कीप्स हैपनिंग. बट वेन यू गो थ्रू दैट you understand it's such a unique experience and it's not normal at all, right? So first of all, hats off to every mother watching this video. Secondly, why I decided to make this video is not because मेरा labor कुछ extraordinary था या आप लोग सबसे अलग था, nothing like that. It's similar to what you faced. But the first reason is when I was pregnant, मुझे बहुत सारे लोग आके ये बोलते थे कि भगवान करे आपका सिजेरियन ना हो, आपका सी सेक्शन ना हो, डॉक्टर मैक्सिमम ट्राई करेगा सिजेरियन के लिए, तो गो फॉर नॉर्मल डिलीवरी ओनली. दिस वाज वन थिंग दैट आई यूज्ड टू हियर वेरी कॉमनली. The second thing is, when I was 6 months pregnant, I had heard the labor story of Sucheta Pal. Many of you watching this video will definitely know her. She is a very famous Zumba educator. एंड उनके लेबर स्टोरी में मुझे ये क्या बोलते हैं, सुनने के बाद मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता चला जो मुझे तब तक नहीं पता था. एंड हर वीडियो हेल्प मी प्रिपेयर मेंटली फॉर मैनी थिंग्स. सो राइट नाउ आई नो many of you watching this video might have your due date coming very close, might be pregnant or might be planning in the future. And if at least one of you is benefited with this video, that's it. That's the only intention behind making this. So to start with, everything starts on 2nd of June. क्योंकि मेरा ड्यू डेट 2nd जून को था, लेकिन तो भी डॉक्टर ने हमको ये बोला था कि 15 मई के बाद कभी भी हो सकता है. So actually many of them were asking after 15 में कभी आ रहा है बेबी, कभी आ रहा है. So baby was not coming. And it was 2nd June already, and then we went to the doctor. I had absolutely no pain, no signs of labor at all. So 2nd June को जब हम गए हॉस्पिटल में, रूटीन चेकअप के बाद डॉक्टर ने ये बोला था कि बेबीज मूवमेंट एंड एवरीथिंग, एक्टिविटी, ऑल दैट इज़ ग्रेट, लेकिन एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड का जो लेवल है वो कम हो रहा है. कंपेयर टू बिफोर इट इज़ बिकम लेस, लेकिन एग्जैक्टली कितना कम है ये जानने के लिए एक टेस्ट करेंगे शाम को, नॉट इन दैट हॉस्पिटल, एट अनदर फीटल सेंटर. सो मैं और सुमिश हम लोग गए थे इवनिंग में 2nd जून को टू चेक दैट. एंड आफ्टर चेकिंग दैट लेवल, वहाँ से वो डॉक्टर ने हमारे डॉक्टर को फ़ोन करके दे कोऑर्डिनेटेड, एंड देन माई डॉक्टर कॉल मी नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग, दैट इज़ ऑन द 3rd जून. सो 3rd जून को जब हम लोग हॉस्पिटल में गए थे, सो डॉक्टर टोल्ड अस दैट ये फ्लूइड लेवल जो है इट रेंजेस फ्रॉम मॉडरेट, माइल्ड एंड सिवियर. सो मेरा जो है इट वाज कमिंग बिटवीन द मॉडरेट माइल्ड एंड द सिवियर कैटेगरी, यानी कम है लेकिन इतना भी कम नहीं है, बट वी कैन नॉट वेट फॉर सो लॉन्ग. सो what my doctor said is that हम शाम को we'll try having castor oil, because castor oil is one of the methods to induce pain naturally. And उसके बाद we'll see if the natural pain takes over, then we can get admitted, or else next day यानी 4th जून को आप आके एडमिट हो सकते हैं. एंड मॉर्निंग में we will try to induce the pain artificially. So 3rd जून को शाम को मैंने castor oil लिया. castor oil लेने के बाद around evening 6:30 I took, and then after that in the night or even till the next day, absolutely no pain I was feeling. So I mean there was no signs of labor. And then next day morning, that is 4th जून को सवेरे 6 बजे को हमें एडमिट होने के लिए बोला था. आई मीन हॉस्पिटल में आने के लिए कहा था डॉक्टर ने. एंड लकीली ऑन 3rd जून, दैट इज़ दैट प्रीवियस नाइट, मेरे पेरेंट्स भी आ गए थे. उनका क्वारंटीन ख़त्म हो गया था 14 दिन का. and they also had come on 3rd of June. And 4th June, me, Sumish and my mom, we went to the hospital at 6 in the morning. So 6 o'clock ko jab hum gaye, my doctor came, and ek gel hai which they try to insert it into your cervix, and pain आर्टिफिशियली इंड्यूस करने के लिए देखते हैं, एंड उसके बाद नेचुरल पेन टेक ओवर होता है, तो कभी आपका नॉर्मल डिलीवरी भी हो सकता है. सो 6:30 माई डॉक्टर केम एंड इंड्यूस द जेल, एंड डॉक्टर सेड कि वी विल वेट फॉर 2 hours, 2 घंटे के बाद देखेंगे हाउ मच आई हैव डायलेटेड, दैट इज सर्विक्स कितना ओपन हो रहा है, एंड अगर ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है देन वी विल डिसाइड व्हाट टू डू. So it was 6:30, and then when they induce it, it's a slight pressure and pain is there when they induce it. After that it's not there. And then we went to our room, and then we were waiting for the pain to start. So and in between, they keep monitoring आपका बच्चे का जो दिल का धड़कन, that they monitor with a machine, and they can also monitor the pain, both the things. So it was 6, 6:30, then 7, 7:30, 8, and I'm not feeling any serious pain or contractions. Like I'm getting the contraction, but इतना भी severe नहीं, बहुत mild. And उसके बाद 8:30, again my doctor came and they checked, for how to see how much it is dilated, and the doctor said कि बहुत ज़्यादा difference नहीं है, so we will go for a C-section, and because now we cannot wait for longer. So actually I was prepared for both, for normal delivery and for C-section, and when the doctor said that, so we'll go for a C-section, so I was like, yeah, fine, no problem. And then there was a sister nurse standing next to the doctor. So the doctor said, sister, इनको change करा दो for operation theatre, and get her to the OT, that is to the operation theatre. So and that time I was like, oh my god, is it going to happen right now? So I was not expecting that. And then everything was very quick. So then क्या हुआ, एक उन लोग वो जो ट्रॉली बेड लेके आते हैं वो लेके आए. They asked me to shift on that, and it is actually difficult because वो हाथ में आपका ड्रिप रहता है, and to move this hand is very difficult. And then they asked me to shift onto that, and trust me, you have so much weight in your body, and I personally have gained 25 kgs during my pregnancy. I'll do a separate video on that. But to move with your weight with this, and suddenly to that, that thing keeps moving, so suddenly to shift into that. And then they asked me, they changed my clothes from what I was wearing to my what I'm supposed to wear in the operation theatre, and they put me in that, and then they took me from the room. And now I'm like panicking, not panicking, but still meko, like I'm getting that stress. And I didn't see my mother, I didn't see Sumish. They just took me into the lift. From the lift they took me out, and at that time I'm getting a feeling of आपको फांसी पे लेके जाते ना, वैसा वाला feeling I was getting. And then they took me to the operation theatre. Right inside the theatre, when you enter, now you see all the doctors, all the nurses, those maushis are there, and they're all busy doing their work, everything. The doctors are coordinating amongst themselves, and once you enter, you see all the surgical instruments, the knife, the scissors, the everything, all those instruments. And to look at that is scary, to be very honest, because in my life I've personally never been to an operation theatre. Like in my when I was a child, yes, but after that I don't remember being into an operation theatre. So then they took me inside, and now the situation is getting a bit tense for me. अंदर लेके जाने के बाद मैंने देखा कि जो बेड है जिसमें ऑपरेशन करते हैं वो इतना नैरो है, बहुत ज़्यादा नैरो है. एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग, हाउ विल आई लाई ऑन दिस, लाइक हाउ विल दे मैनेज टू पुट मी ऑन दिस. एंड दे बॉट मी क्लोज टू दैट बेड, एंड दे लाइक, नाउ यू शिफ्ट इनटू दिस, जस्ट कीप योर हैंड एंड जस्ट शिफ्ट. एंड आई समहाउ मैनेज टू शिफ्ट इनटू दैट. एंड now they asked me to sit, and first they insert a tube so that from where you will pass your urine, they insert 3 tubes. I thought it would be very painful, but nothing like that. And then there were 4 doctors. One is my doctor, and one more doctor who performs the surgery with him. One was the pediatrician, and one was the doctor who gives the anesthesia. अभी जो डॉक्टर अनस्थेशिया देने के लिए आए वो आए पीछे, एंड देयर वाज वन मोर मावशी स्टैंडिंग नेक्स्ट टू मी एंड शी वाज लाइक कुछ नहीं, हाँ बेटा कुछ नहीं होगा, एकदम शांत रहना. And trust me, at that time she was like a life savior for me, you know. Like I was feeling so nice that she's standing next to me, because हम generally hospitals में ये देखते हैं कि जब बहुत सारे pregnancies या deliveries होते हैं, they consider you as one of them. But in this hospital, like it's my personal thing I'm sharing. What I liked is that, you know, they understand that every woman has a unique experience and उनका first time है ये. So she's telling me nothing to worry about, just stay calm. And the doctor who gave me anesthesia, he is also another beautiful doctor. So he told me, I will be pricking this injection right on your back. So that needle is, I think, a little bit big. And he said, just bend your spine like this and hilna mat. Just don't move, that's it. And then they insert that. And when they insert that, you can actually feel the needle going in. It is a bit painful, but not like very painful. It's bearable. And then they inject the anesthesia. And now he asked me to lie down. बोले लेट जाओ आप. And मुझे ऐसे feeling आ रहा है कि my hands and my legs are getting numb. First of all, they tied this hand. My left hand was tied, and my right hand they put the drip. So this also I cannot move. So both the hands are like this. And they asked me to lie. And then the doctor who gave me the anesthesia said he was just, you know, trying to tickle on my feet, on my legs, and he said क्या आपको कुछ फील हो रहा है? So I said नहीं, मुझे फील हो रहा है बट इतना ज़्यादा नहीं. फिर then around my stomach he did, and then he said can you feel anything now? I said yeah, a little bit lesser. So he said okay, try to lift your leg, आपका पाँव उठाओ. Now I'm trying to lift my leg and I can't lift my leg, and that time it was very scary for me. So I said I can't lift. So he's like, so don't worry, इसका मतलब है दवाई का असर हो रहा है, कुछ टाइम के बाद आपको आपका लोअर बॉडी ज़रा सा भी फील नहीं होगा. And the worst thing is, you know what, you cannot move your body at all, but this mind which is there, no, it moves around so many places. So I was thinking, where is Sumesh? I want someone next to me. And because of the situation, COVID-19, they were not allowing even your spouse inside the room, you know. So that was the situation. So they tied both my hands, and then they put a parda in front of you so that you don't see anything. The operation you can't see. So they put a small curtain here, green color. And then I called my doctor who gave the anesthesia. I said, पेन पता चलेगा क्या जब सर्जरी होगा? सेड कुछ नहीं पता चलेगा आपको, ज़रा सा भी टेंशन मत लो. एंड जब आपको थोड़ी देर के लिए अनईजीनेस होगा, उसके बाद नॉर्मल हो जाएगा. एंड जैसे ही आप आपके बच्चे की आवाज़, when you hear your baby cry, you will feel relaxed. This is what he told me. So I said fine. But भले ही डॉक्टर ने वो बोला, मेरे मन में ऐसा था कि जब नाइफ रखेंगे और कट करेंगे कुछ तो पेन होगा ना. दिस इज व्हाट आई वाज थिंकिंग मेंटली, एंड आई वाज लाइक सम पेन विल बी देयर डेफिनेटली. And I'm lying down and I'm like, Ashwati, just calm down, so everything is fine, okay? And then I can feel the doctor shaking my stomach. Like आपको अगर किसी ने लिटा दिया हो और कोई आपका ऐसे स्टमक शेक करेगा तो कैसे फील होगा आपको? Like someone is trying to shake my stomach. So this is what I'm feeling. And now it's been 5 minutes, almost 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Meanwhile, Sumesh and my mother, they are outside the operation theater. They are waiting. So they were prepared mentally, like 2 घंटा तो wait करना पड़ेगा. So now they are shaking my stomach, everything. After 5-10 minutes, I am now waiting कि surgery कब start होगा और pain कैसा आएगा जब, you know, when they'll actually start. And after some time, I realized that I'm already halfway through the surgery. So I can hear the doctor telling the sister, nurse, give me this instrument, that instrument, this instrument, and they are, you know. So I realized, oh my God, the surgery is already started long back and I'm not feeling anything. And I was like, my goodness, like it's actually, you don't feel anything, no pain at all. And when they were doing that, but like still the thing inside is now, when will the baby come, you know, and how will the baby be? The baby has to be healthy. That's the only thing a mother wishes, to be very honest, not if it's a girl or a boy, at that moment at least. And then after some time I hear the pediatrician saying 9 hours 18 minutes 35 seconds. This is what he said, and I realized that they must have taken the baby out. And after that I see the baby's trying to cry, but something has clogged inside, you know, so it's trying to cry but the sound is not coming. And then I hear the pat this loud on the back probably of the baby. One more, and 2 months something comes out, and then the baby cries. And that cry I will never forget in my life. And at that time, and the doctor didn't say if it's a girl or a boy, the baby was crying, and the joy that you experience at that time, you know, my God, that you have created a new life. And just after a few more seconds, maybe 5 to 10 seconds, the doctor tells me that congratulations, आपको लड़की हुई है. And that time that joy doubled. And I so wanted to see the baby at that time, but that time they didn't show me. They took the baby to clean her and everything. And after that I was relaxed. I was completely relaxed. And then the doctor induced something into my drip, so probably a sedation for me to just relax. And the doctor said, अभी आपको थोड़ी सी नींद आएगी, आप सो जाएंगे तो भी no problem, just relax and we'll just get the baby right now. And now I can see the lights glooming, you know, it's getting all blurred, my vision is getting blurred, I can see the lights blinking, and this effect started happening. And in that sedation I hear my mother's voice in the other room. She's like, she's excited, and I can hear, oh, you Sumishe, like my husband, and she's like, Sumishe, oh, the Sumish in the chaya, like that, and you know, Sundari Mola, like that. She can, and just imagine, in that sedation I can hear everything that she said, and now I'm getting even more anxious to see the baby. And those who know my mother, you know how her excitement is. And then after that I can hear them talk everything, and then they get the baby to me and they show her. I was like, you know, she's got my eyes, big eyes, very cute baby. And I know even you all want to see her. You'll very soon be seeing her. And after that I was completely relaxed. And then they do the stitches and everything, and now for at least 2 hours you don't feel anything because your body is absolutely numb. And the entire surgery got over in 20 minutes. In 20 minutes the baby was out and everything was on time. And after that they shifted me down immediately. And even at that time I was quite normal. And everyone was so happy, excited, and that's how it was, you know. So what I'm trying, and then after that, yes, definitely the first day I was not allowed to have anything. I was completely on the drip. And in the evening they came and told me that आप 2 स्पून पानी पी सकते हैं हर 1 घंटे में शाम को. And उसके बाद next day they will tell me what to have. So next day doctor came, and when the doctor told me that you can start having liquid meals, that's when I had my first meal. That was my Herbalife shake. Really, it helped me a lot personally, for me, for my strength, and for my baby, definitely. And after that, yes, if you go for a cesarean C-section, the stitches, definitely it will hurt you for the initial few days, 3 to 4 days. They give you painkiller for that. And वो pain कभी कभी इतना खतरनाक है कि आप जब खांसते हो, or if you want to sneeze, you know, oh my goodness, that it hurts very bad. Those who have gone through that will understand. But it's just for a few days. And today is almost the 18th day I'm doing this video. On the 10th day they removed all the dressing, and now I can somewhat do all the normal activities. But I want to take absolute rest for at least 2 months, complete rest, and so that I recover faster. Because अगर आप proper rest नहीं लोगे तो long run में, not now, later stage, you will have problems, you know. So I don't want to take a chance. So this was my labor story, and I really wanted to share this experience with you all. And I really want to thank my doctors and every staff who was there at Savvy Hospital in Ahmedabad, my parents for being here on time, my in-laws, my mother-in-law, Sumesh, my husband, was always there with me, all my friends and everyone. I know many of you all wanted to be here in that at that moment, but you all couldn't. But it's okay, you know. This time shall also pass, and we are waiting for when we all can meet each other. So that's all I wanted to share. And they are yes, and definitely yes, after the delivery a woman's body changes completely, and it changes forever actually. But forever doesn't mean that you will be like this. Yes, you can get back to what you were, or even stronger than what you were, but definitely you start, your belly starts sagging down, you get stretch marks, you definitely have that back pain, and you put on weight, and so many changes, but it's worth it. So that's all. I want to give myself time, and I wish you all be safe at home and take care of yourselves until I'm back next time. We are back next time with another video. That's all from my side. Thank you so much. Love you all. God bless.